Hey guys, I'm keep watching this list that I added to the cart on Amazon website, and I'm keep watching this over and over because I'm keep thinking I think it's time for me to move into desktop PC. I'm keep looking and looking in the cart, some sort of special type of build, a very expensive, and you know me, I'm always advanced since little, the latest out of latest in a small case PC, but I'm under debt and I should not be spending that money. I keep looking at it and I build it virtually, the PC. That's going to be 3,600 with tax, almost 700. 3,700, and we're going back the childhood days again. We're gonna go back from laptop to manual work, and guess who's gonna build that PC? The guy next to me. Oh my god, if somebody let me show you. Girls, if you need this PC, let me know. I'm selling this. Look at this thing. This bad boy has been through so much. Look, Lenovo Legion, this thing lights up. All of this lights up. This is next level. You want to build your career, you want to be famous, you need this. And me, of course, you know, if I can sell this, you know, I have the art of selling. What I'm trying to say is, if any lady, any kids, any father buy this for their kids, children, students, even girls, gamer girl, doesn't have to be gamer. If anybody buy this, the moment somebody say, hey, I want this, you're amazing, your laptop is too advanced, I need this. If anybody buy this, I'm gonna do that checkout on that Amazon website, and that costs 3,700 bucks. And guess what's the latest equipment is? I'm gonna be try to leave Intel. I'm buying Ryzen 9. I'm buying Ryzen 9, first time in my life. Ryzen 9, 16 core. That means I'm getting a wife or girlfriend, you know, in your case it could be a boyfriend, who have 16 core Ryzen 7, probably gonna buy 32 gigabyte RAM, that's 100 and 100 or 150, I don't know, something like that. So anyway, Ryzen 9, that's basically i9, not i7, i9 of AMD. This is a huge risk I'm taking. You know, if you want to be rich, if you want to be famous, you have to take a risk. I'm going from Intel to AMD without testing, by hearing other people talking good about the AMD. Buying Ryzen 9, and guess the biggest one. This is the expensive one. This is the one, like the worst, like a Black Friday line. I'm buying NVIDIA 4090 RTX. Don't do it, Toby. Don't do this. You should not be doing this. Jesus, man. If this is so dangerous. This is very dangerous. I'm gonna buy part by part, and somebody had to build it, which is me. I'm gonna have to build that, or I can just keep this like a good boy. You know, this is all in one together. No idea if I should do this or not. I have no idea. My God, don't even have the cash for that. I have no idea what I'm doing. Don't do it. I bought this by mistake, and now I had to get rid of this. That cost me 1,200 bucks. This, I don't need this. I got the best Galaxy right now. This one I totally love. I don't need to sell this. I'm good. My business, everything is good. Assets, everything is good with this. But if somebody buy this, I know some lady gonna buy this from me. I know that. I know she gonna love it. It could be father, you know, the fathers, the kids, they want this thing so bad. You know how powerful this thing is? Let me show you one sticker. One of them got ripped out. Look at this. i7, this thing by itself, and RTX sticker. This is what everybody wants. I kind of ripped it out with the RGB. Look at this. DM me right now if you want to buy this from me. XOXO. I already listed on online. People are already watching this. People are putting this on watch later. You know, I had the #1 thing. I always buy the six years advanced product. This is one of them. But if somebody, by the way, Windows 10 already, but I'm thinking if somebody buy this from me, then I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have to end up buying a desktop. Ooh, financial educations, guys. Girls, if you add something on your cart, Michael Kors, Louis Vuitton, don't check out. Don't purchase it right away. Live below your mean, okay? Don't do compulsive buying if you don't have a bill paid. Don't buy compulsive buying if you don't even have, if you're in a debt, whatever situation is going on. Especially girls go through this a lot. Guys, men also go through that a lot. Don't purchase unnecessary stuff, and don't buy 2, 3, 4 cameras, don't buy 5 PC, don't buy 5 phone, don't do that. What I'm still doing is still a very smart move. What I'm doing here is, if I can get rid of this, then I will buy this. Not keeping this and wait until somebody gonna buy this, then I'm gonna, let me buy the new one anyway, and then I'm gonna sell this later. No, I'm selling this first. I know somebody gonna buy this from me. I'm that good with the marketing. When somebody buy this from me, then I'm gonna take the risk carefully. So yeah, it is huge. But yeah, anyway guys, if you're still interested, let me know on DM. Peace out.
Standing there we were talking close. Started on the 4th of July. We had all the fire, but oh, we had no money, and oh, it was a glorious time. Images, they were flashing outside, and I can see the glint in your eyes. We had all the fire, but oh, we had no money, and oh, it was a glorious time.